Hello everyone. In this video, we'll try to understand, uh, how to use string, the different operations that we can do on top of string in Python. We know, right? Strings are used to store or record some kind of text information, like, for example, the names, right? Or some names, city names, town, whatever, right? Some text information that you can store, right? So, creating a string is very simple. Teja, that's a string, right? So string can be enclosed in single quotation and double quotation, as you just seen here. But I would prefer double quotation most of the times. Why? We'll take one example. Maybe instead of writing I am, right? I can also write I am, right? I am Vishwateja, T-A, right? Did you see? It didn't work, right? Because this is one of the way where you can write the shortcut as I said, right? Instead of writing I am, I can simply write this. So I have single quotation here, right? So in that case, you can put a double quotation outside so that it will take even this single quotation as a string. It is good, if we use double quotation. But again, as I said, based on the situation scenario, right? So let me create a variable called name, right? So I'm saying Teja. We'll see, few of the string operations, string, methods. So one of the thing is the length. If you want to know the length of your string, right? For TEJA has a 4 characters. Again, string is a sequence of character. We know what is a character. It is one of the data type where it will store only one letter or one character, right? One letter. When you talk about the string, it's a sequence of characters, right? So if you see here, we have more than one character, obviously sequence of characters, right? So by the way, this length is a function, not a method, right? We'll discuss what is functions and methods in our uh, later sessions, right? So we can also do string indexing. What is that? We'll just try to understand. Let's say, I want to get the first letter, right, in the word Teja. So in the string Teja, I'll say string of name of 0. See, as I told you, right, string is a sequence of character, right? You can also do string indexing, right? One means I'll get E, right? Let's say if I want to get the last letter, right? I know in my case my last letter is A, right? Which is like we have 4 letters. So obviously the indexing starts from 0. So if I say 3, I'll get A. But I really don't know my length. In that case, I can simply say -1. So -1 means you will get the last letter, right? In case if you really don't know the length of a string and you want the last letter, then you can use -1. Of course, even if you know the best practice is if you want to get the last letter, use always the negative numbering, right? So that you'll get the last word. So there is also a concept called string slicing, right? So let's say if I say from 1 colon, okay, sorry, it must be name, my bad. Did you see? I'm just saying, hey, get me the letters from 1 from here, right? Or else you can also say like this, colon 3. Do you see? From, if I don't mention anything, something like a 0 here, right? So very fast. So get me the first 3 letters, right? And maybe you can also say this name colon -1, right? I'm just saying exclude the last letter, right? So if I say get 2, exclude the last 2 letters, right? And the other one is simple. Oh, sorry. What I'm trying to do, 1 second. Usually this should work. Ah, come on, man. It's name. Yep. Did you see? So I'll get, the everything. There is another thing called the step. Let me show you. Colon 1. I got everything. Now Maybe I'll say 2. Did you see? I'm just saying skip one between TEJA, right? So TEJA. I'm just saying skip one number in between, which is this one and this one, right? So what I'm trying to say, get all the string, but go in step of size 1. So in this case, I'm saying step of size 2, right? Here, step of size 1 and step of size 2, which means first it will Teja, and then the next one is after Teja, the second one is J. After J, we don't have any second one, right? Maybe if I say name equal to Vishwa Teja, then you can see this, right? V after 2 second letter is S, from S the second letter is A, from A the second letter is E, from E the second letter is A, right? So it will go by step. So step 2, because we mentioned 2, it will go by step 2, right? And the next thing is the string concatenation, right? So I'll say name equal to Vishwa again, right? I can say name plus Teja, right? I can give a space here. You see, we get a space, right? So we'll see few built-in, methods. We already see one of the method called len, which will tell you the length of the string, right? So another one is name dot upper EPP, right? Let me run. Okay, we need to store this back, right? Name equal to name plus. Oh, spelling mistake. UPP. Did you see everything, converted to the upper? The other one is lower, right? So all the characters are converted to the lower. So we have another the really great method, if you ask me, available in string, which is called split. So I'm saying split wherever there is a space. It will give you a list, right? In our coming videos, we'll talk about list, how to deal with list, what is list. Don't worry, but it will give you a list. So we'll take one more example. Name equal to I am Vishwa Teja from AP, Andhra Pradesh, right? So if I say split of space, then yeah, you can also say, not need to be space. Maybe I can give V. Did you see? Right? Right. So you can also convert this list as a string, right? Let me uh, store this in a variable, right? Called L, right? Now this is a list. I can convert this list back to a string, right? So which is an opposite function of the split, which is called join. So I'm saying boss join wherever there is a space with space, join my L. Did you see? Now let's say if I don't have a space here, I won't get a space, right? Which means what I'm trying to say here is, so for each value in the list, give a space, right? So this is what I wanted to cover in the strings. So hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.